Welcome to another edition of Management Mondays. My name is Fred. So today's topic is Fred. When it comes to California and deposits that I'd want to collect from my tenants, what are my restrictions and what are our limits? We had a couple conversations in the past week with some of our new investors that we've brought on to manage their properties, and they had similar questions. They were doing it a certain way on their own, self-managing the property. Then when it came to us, we had to have some clarity on some of the rules and regulations within California as it relates to tenant and landlord laws. Now here's the thing. When it comes to California residential properties, there are two restrictions when it comes to how much you can charge in security deposits total when it comes to a tenant. Number one, if it's an unfurnished rental, the total max that you can collect for all deposits total is twice the monthly rent. So if you're collecting a $2,000 monthly rent, the max you can charge in all deposits is $4,000. Not just security, but if you're charging a security deposit, a pet deposit, and a key deposit, the combined total has to be no more than twice the monthly rent for an unfurnished rental. If it is a furnished rental, you can charge up to 3 times the monthly rent in total deposit. So if you're collecting $2 grand a month in rent, the max you can charge for total deposits is $6,000. Now, are there scenarios where landlords are doing what they want, charging more, charging different denominator? Of course they are. Here's the dynamic. God forbid if you go to a small claims case or you go in front of a judge, the judge is going to look at that lease agreement and what that tenant had to pay. My advice would be keep it in compliance. Run your business and run your investments within the rules and regulations of California. That's win-win for a tenant and win-win for you as a landlord. It's the best way to do business, and it's the only way that we manage properties and run business for over 16 years in Southern California. So if we can answer any questions for you in any capacity when it comes to investment properties, managing your properties and rentals and tenants and everything in between, contact us 7 days a week at 949-409-8585. And to learn more about us and what we do for our investors and our clients, go to 24hourpm.com and tune in next week for another amazing edition of Management Mondays.